To learn the Serbian language successfully, what you need is a perfect combination and a perfect balance of vocabulary, words and phrases, and grammar. Most applications that you find online will teach you only the phrases and words in the Serbian language, and that's okay. You need that. You also need that. But you need explanations as well how things work, because our grammar is quite complex. And this is exactly what we give you at Serbonica. Hi, I'm Magdalena, a professional Serbian language teacher and a polyglot who has learned about 15 foreign languages to a different degree. And I'm a creator of an ideal program to teach you the Serbian language from scratch. Visit us at serbonica.com and learn the introductory Serbian for free.